We are a New York State business.
Our business is passion pursued, goals realized, and hard work paying off.
Keeping our business moving forward depends on us.
A strong workforce.
A New York State apprenticeship program guarantees
A highly skilled workforce with employees trained to do the job that you want done.
A smart investment. We produce quality work while we learn.
This means money saved. Thousands of dollars of tax credits are available every year.
From healthcare to information technology.
Advanced manufacturing to skilled trades.
There are apprenticeship programs that fit your business.
And your business benefits from bright, capable, ready-to-work apprentices armed with on-the-job training and classroom knowledge.
Apprenticeships build the workforce that you need.
And show your workers that they have a solid future with you.
Your investment in us keeps us on the job, working hard for you.
Our business succeeds through the registered New York State apprenticeship program. Yours will too.